Ever dreamed of having a robot do your chores? Well, that's not science fiction anymore. These are the home robots you can actually buy in 2025. Let's dive in. First up, the robot that started it all. But now it's on a whole new level. The self-washing vacuum and mop combo. Forget just vacuuming. This thing is a cleaning powerhouse. Watch as it meticulously maps out the room, creating an efficient cleaning path. See how it intelligently identifies and dodges those pesky phone chargers and stray cables that used to trap older models. It seamlessly switches between vacuuming carpets and mopping hard floors, applying just the right amount of water. And the best part? When it's done, or when its dustbin is full or its mop is dirty, it automatically returns to its sophisticated docking station. This isn't just a charging base. It empties the dust, refills the water tank, and get this, it actually washes and dries the mop pads with hot air to prevent mildew. You literally don't have to touch it for weeks. It's the ultimate set it and forget it cleaning solution. Now, let's take the automation outside. Meet the dynamic duo of outdoor maintenance, the robotic lawn mower and pool cleaner. First, the mower. No more spending your Saturday afternoons pushing a heavy machine. This autonomous mower works like a Roomba for your lawn. You set the boundary wires once, and it takes care of the rest, quietly trimming your grass day or night, rain or shine. It uses smart navigation to cover every inch, leaving you with a perfectly manicured lawn, always. And while it's handling the grass, its aquatic cousin is taking a dip. The robotic pool cleaner scrubs the floor, climbs the walls, and even cleans the water line, filtering out leaves, dirt, and algae. It runs on its own schedule, so your pool is always sparkling clean and ready for a swim. These two together give you back your entire weekend. But what about our furry family members? Don't worry, there's a robot for them too. This is the all-in-one pet care companion. It's a smart feeder that dispenses precise portions of food on a schedule you set, so your pet is fed on time, every time, even if you're running late. But it's more than just a food dispenser. It has a built-in HD camera with two-way audio, so you can see, talk to, and hear your pet from anywhere through your phone. Feeling guilty about leaving them alone? Engage the play mode. A built-in laser toy or a treat tosser can be activated remotely to keep your cat or dog entertained and active. It even has an eye that can recognize when your pet is anxious and play calming music. It's peace of mind for you and a happier, healthier day for your pet. Next, let's talk about instant gratification. Imagine you're cooking and realize you're out of lemons. Instead of a trip to the store, you use this, a personal delivery micro drone. These aren't the giant commercial drones you see in the news. These are small, quiet, and designed for short-range deliveries within a neighborhood or a large property. You just open an app, select what you need from a local partner or even your neighbor, and the drone is on its way. Using a precise GPS and obstacle avoidance system, it navigates to your location, maybe your backyard or balcony, and gently lowers the package. It's perfect for those last-minute essentials, prescription drop-offs, or just satisfying a sudden craving without leaving home. The future of local delivery is here, and it's landing right at your doorstep. And now for the one you've been waiting for, the humanoid assistant. While we're not quite at a C3PO level, the progress is incredible. This robot is designed to handle basic household chores that require a bit more dexterity than a simple wheel bot. It can walk, navigate complex home environments, and has two arms with greepers that can pick up objects. Watch as it fetches a drink from the fridge, picks up toys from the floor, and places them in a box. Its movements are stable, and it uses advanced sensors to avoid bumping into furniture or people. You can respond to simple voice commands like "bring me the remote" or "follow me." Of course, there are limitations. It's not going to cook you a gourmet meal yet, but for tasks like carrying groceries from the door to the kitchen or helping with laundry, it's a game changer for mobility and assistance. If you're finding this look into our robotic future as exciting as I am, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and share this with a friend who needs a robot in their life. We're always testing the latest tech, and your support helps us bring you more hands-on reviews. All right, let's get back to it. Here's a chore nobody enjoys: cleaning windows, especially those hard-to-reach second-story ones. Enter the window and roof cleaning robot. This little marvel attaches to the glass with powerful suction and systematically scrubs its way across the entire surface using microfiber pads and a cleaning solution. It has built-in safety features, including a backup battery and a safety tether, so you never have to worry about it falling. The results are streak-free, crystal-clear windows without ever having to climb a wobbly ladder. And there are even heavier-duty versions designed for clearing leaves and debris from your roof and gutters. It's a simple robot that solves a dangerous and annoying problem. The before and after is truly satisfying. While some robots clean, others protect. Home security is getting a major upgrade with autonomous security robots. Think of it as a mobile security camera with a mind of its own. You can set it to patrol mode and it will follow a pre-programmed route around your home inside or out. Using its cameras and sensors, it can detect motion, sound, or anomalies. If it spots something unusual, like an open door that should be closed, it sends an alert directly to your phone with a live video feed. You can then take manual control to investigate, speak through its two-way audio, or even trigger an alarm. It's a proactive security guard that never sleeps, giving you a constant presence and a complete view of your property, whether you're upstairs or across the world. So, these robots are amazing, but what do they cost? And are they actually worth it? Let's do a quick breakdown. The vacuum mop combos can range from $600 to over $1,500. The upfront cost is high, but think about the time saved. If it saves you 4 hours of cleaning a month, what's that worth to you? Lawn and pool bots are in a similar price range. Now, some of these devices also have optional subscriptions for cloud storage or advanced AI features, typically around $5 to $10 a month. And you have to factor in maintenance things like replacing mop pads, filters, or blades, which can add up. The lifespan is generally 5 to 8 years. The value really comes down to how much you dislike a specific chore and how much you value your free time. But don't just take my word for it. We talked to some real users. One person told us their robotic lawnmower meant they could finally host spontaneous backyard barbecues without worrying about the state of their lawn. Another, a busy professional, said her robot vacuum has given her back her Sunday mornings, which she now spends with her family instead of cleaning. The stories are all the same. These robots aren't just gadgets. They are time-saving tools that genuinely improve quality of life by automating the mundane and giving people more time to do what they love. It's about buying back your most valuable asset, time. We've seen a ton of incredible robots today, from cleaners and gardeners to pet sitters and personal assistants. The future is truly arriving in our homes. Now I want to hear from you. Which one of these robots would make the biggest difference in your life? Is it the cleaner, the security bot, or are you ready for a humanoid helper? Let me know in the comments below. The robot with the most votes is the one I'll get my hands on for a full in-depth review in a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.